Greetings, wild ones, wildlings, and indigo brothers and sisters. Welcome to my Hollywood reality TV show. And I'm back in the laundry again because I'm a real housewife. And today I'm going to talk about how eating chocolate will give you pimples, because I found some chocolate in my fridge because my husband snuck some chocolate in. I'm trying to give up dairy, and I've given up milk, I've given up cheese. I just have almond milk now and I'm doing really well. But I found 3 bars of chocolate, dairy milk chocolate, and I feel really bad about it because I went and ate all of them. I just binged on it, and this is what happened straight after. I can show you. I have got broken out in pimples. See? See all the pimples? Right there, and there, and there, and there. And coffee. I'm addicted to coffee. So the combination of chocolate and coffee has brought me out in a breakout of pimples, and because I've been binging on coffee too. I've been having about 3 coffees a day with sugar. I don't have dairy, I have almond milk in it. But this time I had chocolate with dairy in it, and that's what happened. And the last time that I had a pizza face like this was when I was a teenager and I had bad acne, and I used to have a really unhealthy diet, like chicken, lots of chicken. Chicken is the worst thing for pimples, and I wish I knew back then, because that was the main cause of acne, was eating chicken. So anyway, this is what I'm going to do about it. I've used Ormus. Right, this is Ormus bottle is empty, but I've got, it's that one, I've got Ormus in a cream. It's exactly like that underneath this bottle. Okay, it's the same Ormus. It's identical, but it's a cream. And I can't take this off. It's covered in tin foil, and I can't take it off because they say, and don't laugh, they say that if it's not covered in tin foil, the Ormus will escape because it's alive, and it can travel. It can, like, astral travel or something bizarre like that. Anyway, this Ormus is perfect for your skin and getting rid of pimples and acne. I've tried it before, and I thought I would mention it again. I would mention it on a video here, saying as I've just had a really bad pimple outbreak. Because some of you might not realise that there are other more natural alternatives available aside from what's at the pharmacy or what you can get at the shop, and it's probably better for you. This also will keep your skin looking younger. It's good for wrinkles, this Ormus, it really is. So and even the liquid you can put on your pimples, and I found the last time I had a pimple, I put it on and it was gone the next day. That's how fast it works. Now, the other thing I want to talk about is urine, your urine. Pee. You can also use that for acne, and it's really good for pimples. You can splash it on your face and rub it in all over, or just on the area which is infected, and that will also clear up any spots or acne, and stop you from scarring, getting acne scars. And I wish that when I was a teenager I knew this. I really do. And it's free, and it won't smell. Once you've rubbed it into your skin, it does not smell, so don't worry about that. But you can rub it in, let it dry, and if you are still self-conscious or worried about it, then rinse off with water, and then go about your normal routine. But you know, your normal beauty routine if you're a girl, whatever you do. And also shaver's rash. If you're a guy, it gets rid of shaver's rash. Splash it on. Urine. Fresh is probably better. Some people put it in a jar and they keep it. And apparently the older it is, the better it is. But personally, I prefer it fresh. So yeah, I thought I might share that with people, because this is stuff that I wish I knew. I really do. It would have saved me a lot of heartache, a lot of money, a lot of disappointment, because I used to have a pizza face. I mean, like what I've just shown you now is nothing compared to what I used to have. That used to, my whole face used to be just covered in it. So anyway, I hope that enlightened you, and stay wild, stay healthy, and have fun. Bye for now.